Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Figma and install the Lottie Files plugin from the Community tab in under 2 minutes. After installation, run the plugin from the Plugins menu and sign in to your Lottie Files account or continue as guest to access Lottie JSON assets. Confirm Figma has permission to run the plugin and allow file access when prompted. If you prefer, drag and drop a JSON file into the plugin window. Keep your Lottie file under 5 MB for smoother importing and preview performance. Use the plugin Add to Figma button to place the Lottie as a frame or group at chosen size. After insertion, scale the inserted animation to a max of 1920 x 1080 to avoid rasterization and performance loss. Keep vectors intact by not flattening layers. Position the frame on your artboard using Figma alignment tools and auto layout when needed. Set playback options in the plugin, 1x speed, loop on or off, and optionally start at a specific time in seconds for precise prototyping. In prototype mode, connect interactions to play the Lottie on click, hover, or after delay in seconds. Set easing and duration to match the animation. Export the Lottie as a JSON file or copy embed code for web. Keep original JSON for edits. When sharing, instruct developers to use the same JSON with the Lottie web player and test playback at 60 FPS in preview. If performance drops, reduce complexity, simplify paths, or export a shorter segment to keep file size under 2 MB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.